Okay, well, good afternoon. Welcome back again to the continuation session, right? So we have to discuss around the differences between oil and water type of emulsion and water in oil type of emulsion, right? So I have represented a table in your handout, slide number 11, right? You can see in the table there are two categories. One is oil in water type of emulsion, that is O by W type of emulsion, and other one is water in oil type of emulsion, that is W by O type of emulsion, right? So let us look at the differences one by one, right? To talk about the difference, the first difference is in case of oil in water type of emulsion, water is the dispersion medium and oil is the dispersed phase. Whereas in case of water in oil type of emulsion, oil is the dispersion medium and water is the dispersed phase. So all agree to this? Agree or disagree? Agree or disagree?
Agree, sir.
Good, sir.
Very good. I'm talking about the second difference. In case of oil and water type of emulsion, they are non-greasy and they are easily removable from skin surface. Because in this case, continuous phase is water, right? Our dispersion medium is water. Whereas in case of water in oil type of emulsion, that is W by O type of emulsion, they are greasy and they are not washable by water, just water. You need to use some soap or some detergent to clean it. You understand? Because in this case, what is the continuous phase? What is the dispersion medium? In case of W by O,
Disperser phase water, sir.
Joshna, can you answer me? Joshna, can you answer me, please?
Yes, sir. Repeat the question, sir.
Yeah, question is, what is the continuous phase or dispersion medium in case of water in oil type of emulsion?
Continuous oil in water, sir.
Avunamma, oil in water.
Hello.
Ah,
Continuous phase oil, sir. Dispersion medium water.
continuous phase oil ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి వాష్ చేసుకోలేము, ఈజీగా వాష్ చేసుకోలేము అదనమాట. సెకండ్ డిఫరెన్స్. థర్డ్ డిఫరెన్స్ ఈస్ they are used externally to provide cooling effect. For example, vanishing cream, right? So vanishing cream, whatever you are using, you all are familiar with vanishing cream, right? Yes or not? Huh? Is there anybody who is not familiar with vanishing cream? Sanjalata, యూస్ చేస్తున్నామా? vanishing cream యూస్ చేస్తున్నారా మీరు?
మంచిగా సార్.
సంధ్యాలత
సార్
వానిషింగ్ క్రీమ్ ఎప్పుడైనా యూజ్ చేసావమ్మా?
వానిషింగ్ క్రీమ్
అంటే వానిషింగ్ క్రీమ్ అంటే మనము అప్లై చేసి రబ్ చేయగానే మనకు కనిపించదు అనమాట, క్రీమ్ వానిష్ అయిపోతుంది. చూడలేదా ఎప్పుడు? కోల్డ్ క్రీమ్ వాడేవా పోనీ ఎప్పుడైనా? అలాగే వానిషింగ్ క్రీమ్ కూడా ఉంటుంది అనమాట. ఈ వానిషింగ్ క్రీమ్ ఈజ్ వన్ అమాంగ్ ది example for oil and water type of emulsions. And whereas in case of water and oil type of emulsion, they are used externally to prevent evaporation of moisture from the surface of skin. For example, cold cream, right? Cold cream అందరూ familiar అనుకుంటారు. ఎవరైనా ఉన్నారా cold cream వాడని వాళ్ళు? Is there anybody who has not used cold cream so far? Lakshmi, have you used cold cream? D. Lakshmi.
నో సార్.
వాడారమ్మా కోల్డ్ క్రీమ్? వాడారా?
వాడాను సార్.
పాండ్స్ కోల్డ్ క్రీమ్ వస్తుంది. మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేశారా? కోల్డ్ క్రీమ్ మీరు అప్లై చేయగానే ఏమవుతుంది? అప్లై చేసిన ఏరియాలో ఎలా ఉంటుంది చెప్పండి? ఎవరైనా వాడిన వాళ్ళని చెప్పండి, ఏం జరుగుతుంది? ప్రీతి, ఆర్ యు దేర్? ప్రీతి, ఆర్ యు దేర్?
Yes, sir.
Can you answer me what is your observation when you apply cold cream on your body surface? Moisturize అవుతుందా? అంటే ఏం కనిపిస్తుంది మీకు? What you happen to see there? right?
Sticky.
So you can see here in the difference, in case of water in oil type of emulsion, they are used externally to prevent evaporation of moisture from the surface of the skin. And మీరు కోల్డ్ క్రీమ్ అప్లై చేసి కొంచెం పోలంగానే పైన డ్రాప్లెట్స్ చూసింటారు. ఆ అప్లై చేసిన ఏరియాలో వాటర్ డ్రాప్లెట్స్ వస్తాయి. అది ఎక్కడి నుంచి వస్తాయంటే క్రీమ్ లో ఉన్న వాటర్ ని అది రిలీజ్ చేసి అక్కడ మాయిశ్చర్ గా పెడుతుంది. Therefore, your skin water content will not be lost, right? Similarly, when you talk about the next difference is water soluble drugs are more quickly released from oil in water type of emulsions, whereas oil soluble drugs are more quickly released from water in oil type of emulsions. And then we have next difference, that is oil in water type of emulsions are preferred more for formulations which are meant for internal use, as the bitter taste of oils can be masked. Whereas the water in oil type of emulsions are preferred for those formulations which are meant for external use. For example, formulations like creams, right? So most of the creams are water in oil type of emulsions. Only you can say vanishing cream is one which is oil in water type of emulsion. And the next difference is, in case of oil in water type of emulsion, it gives a positive conductivity test, as water is the external phase or dispersed phase, or sorry, water is the dispersion medium, not dispersed phase. I'm sorry. And it is also called as continuous phase, which is a very good conductor of electricity. We all know that water conducts electricity. Yes or not? Agree, disagree? Water is a good conductor of electricity. Agree, disagree? Pujita, agree, disagree? Pujita, agree, disagree?
Agree, sir.
Very good. Water is a good conductor of electricity. Oil in water type of emulsions will contain continuous phase as water, and since water is very good conductor of electricity, oil in water type of emulsions will give a positive conductivity test, as water is the external phase which is a good conductor of electricity. Whereas coming to water in oil type of emulsions, they do not give a positive conductivity test, as oil is the external phase. Oils are not conductors of electricity. Even if they conduct, they are very poor and they are not as good as water in conduction of electricity, right? These are all the few major differences between oil in water type of emulsion and water in oil type of emulsion, right? Is there any question? Is there any question that is about simple emulsions? Is there any question? Yes, I couldn't hear any answer from you all.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No question, no question. Nagalakshmi, any question, ma? Nagalakshmi.
No, sir.
Again, you focus your camera to roof.
No, sir.
చాలా సామాన్లు దాచిపెట్టుకున్నారు పైన. లాక్డౌన్ కి పనికొస్తాయనా అన్ని?
No things are there, sir.